So the AGTZ Twin Tail client has been unveiled at the Rétromobile 2025. Now you might be wondering, what is this? Why is this such an exciting thing? Well, there's a full article over on the motoringchronicle.com, but there's also a complete photo gallery on there as well. So I'm going to show you some images of this amazing car and read out the article and show you why this is a very exciting thing indeed. So let's dive into it, guys. Let's have a look at some beautiful pictures of a beautiful car here. 1 year after the announcement of the project jointly developed by car collector dealer La Squadra and Aletia Zagato, the pair is bringing its first car into production, guys, to the world-renowned Rétromobile exhibition in Paris, France. The bespoke configuration of this AGTZ Twin Tail was developed in partnership with the client, who drew inspiration from the late 1960s racing legend, the iconic A220. The AGTZ Twin Tail was born out of the need to tell the dramatic story of the A220, a racing icon of the late 1960s that, in a visionary move by its creators, shed its long, aerodynamically shaped tail, originally designed for the high-speed straights of the 24 Hours of Le Mans race, in favour of a compact, agile form. The decision was radical but ingenious. The French car went on to achieve historic success in its new specialisation, which was hill climbing. More than half a century later, this legend remains an enduring source of inspiration for collector car La Squadra and the renowned design studio Atelier Zagato. Their joint efforts have resulted in the AGTZ Twin Tail, a contemporary tribute to the A220, telling its story through a unique design feature, a removable rear body section. The driver can effortlessly switch between the long tail or the short tail configurations in a matter of minutes and use the removed tail as a piece of functional art that can be displayed in a garage. This collector's car, a rolling sculpture, is built around the underpinnings of the A220 spiritual successor, the currently produced A110. Each twin tail will be handcrafted after Atelier Zagato, one of the world's most respected coach builders operating in Milan, Italy, uninterruptedly since 1919. Production is strictly limited to just 19 units in total, and the first one in the series, the Commission number 3, has now left the legendary workshop. Each of the 19 twin tail units will be uniquely tailored as a result of extensive customization process fostered through personal dialogue and visits to the car's construction site after Atelier Zagato. The contribution of the patrons to the creativity and value of the twin tail project is clearly exemplified in the first completed client car. Commission number 3 is an owner's personal take on the original A220 story. It refers to one of the later cars built over the 2-year period, chassis number 1736, which was completed in 1969. Nice. Updated with an aerodynamically sculpted nose, prominent radiators mounted into the massive tail, and mechanical refinements, it showed some promising performance during the 24 Hours of Le Mans test, however retired prematurely from the race due to technical issues. Today, the Twin Tail Commission number 3 revives this story on French soil at the 2025 Rétromobile show, with a striking livery reminiscent of the 1969 24 Hours of Le Mans race and a host of bespoke details, including wheels designed specifically for this commission. Commission number 3's specification brings back the spirit of the golden era of racing in a faithful yet overly progressive manner. Celebrating its 49th edition this year, Rétromobile is one of the world's premier classic and car collector exhibitions. The global debut of the first AGTZ Twin Tail client car at this event underscores the project's leading position in the high-end automotive segment and further establishes La Squadra's strong presence on the international stage. Meanwhile, work at Zagato continues at full pace. The next twin tail commissions are already in progress and set to be unveiled very soon. With production capped at just 19 units overall, the order to book is filling up quickly, with only a few remaining slots still available. So, if you've got the money, why not? It looks absolutely beautiful, as you've just seen with the images on the screen for the last few minutes. And yeah, what do you think about this, guys? Let us know in the comments below. And for much more motoring news just like this, keep it tuned here to themotoringchronicle.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe as always, and we'll see you very soon for some more video content on the world of cars right here. Have a good one, guys. See you soon.